Price increases in the United States of America are spreading across commodities and services, and inflation can also be seen in broad grounded business inputs like transportation, energy, and increasingly, labor. But many have a different outlook and think inflation is the biggest opportunity to get mega rich. How? Keep watching today's video to find out. But before that, make sure you press that red subscribe button along with that tiny bell icon to get updated every time we post new videos. Let's get started. Inflation is actually good for a lot of us, but it's terrible for the kinds of people who own commercial news outlets or, say, established coal enterprises. And the fear about inflation usually creates the conditions to weaken the power of working people. Make no mistake, increased prices are annoying, and for 70% of households with a yearly income below $40,000, they're causing financial difficulty. For some people, the rate of inflation has outpaced salary increase, but the bottom 60% of earners have additional money in their pockets than they did pre-pandemic, even after counting for inflation, when paycheck increases and government programs like COVID relief checks and the child tax credit are included. That spending successfully cut poverty nearly in half. Why is inflation overshadowing these positive pointers? In part, it's because, as social scientists have long observed, people tend to have a negative gut response to increased prices, since they don't naturally connect inflation to raising salary or forenamed government benefits that may contribute to inflation. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, has previously advised about inflation on several occasions. In May, Kiyosaki said on Twitter that the Fed wants inflation to pay debt with cheaper dollars, noting that the Fed will raise interest rates, causing stock, bond, real estate, and gold to crash. The renowned author added that the biggest problem is boomer retirement, emphasizing that Social Security, Medicare, and America are broke. Noting that the Fed will publish more fake money, he recommended investors stick with gold, silver, and Bitcoin. In October, he also said that President Joe Biden and the Federal Reserve are ripping off poor people, predicting that the US is sliding into a depression. He noted that Biden and the Fed need inflation to help new depression, claiming that the two are corrupt. He advised that a giant crash is coming, followed by a new depression. And it's also for this reason that Kiyosaki firmly recommends purchasing Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, considered as anti-inflation goods and which for now are beyond the control of central authorities. The author tells his 1.8 million followers on Twitter that the recent 25% price increase at discount retail chain Dollar General is a bellwether, is another event signaling that investors should secure themselves by picking up some cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as gold and silver. Watching current scenario where inflation is expected to increase, it would be smart to take Kiyosaki's advice. So that's all for today's video. Let us know your views in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.